Hey y'all, welcome to my kitchen. Before we get started with the recipe, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up for this video. Now today we're going to be making a Butterfinger pie. This is a simple recipe you can get together in a matter of a few minutes. Let me tell you what all goes in this. Now you're going to have some powdered sugar, some vanilla, some peanut butter, Cool Whip. You're going to have a ready-made pie crust, and I'm using an Oreo one today, and cream cheese, and then you're going to have 12 fun-size Butterfinger candy bars. Now what you're going to want to do is smash your Butterfinger bars. You can either take a rolling pin or a anything you have that can smash these up, because we're going to put some on the inside of the pie and then also on the outside, on top, after it's done. Now this is a good recipe if you want to try. If you have a holiday get together that you're going to that you need to take a dessert, you can make it earlier in the day, because you're going to want this to be in the refrigerator for 4 hours before you actually serve it. All right, let's get this rolled out here, crushed up. Of course, you're going to want to keep it in a bag so you don't have a mess all over your counter. That would not be good. All right. All right. Now we're going to go ahead and mix up our ingredients for the pie filling. Okay. So you're going to take your cream cheese, and then you're going to add in our peanut butter. Now you're going to want to have a little hand mixer. You can use a full-size mixer. If you don't have a hand mixer, that's fine. And we're going to mix these together with our mixer. I love peanut butter and I like Butterfingers, so this is going to be a really delicious recipe for y'all to try if you like that combination. All right, let's go ahead and get that blended. And you want to make sure you have your cream cheese softened to room temperature before you start this. Just get it blended in. All right, well, let's scrape our sides, and then we're going to add in our next ingredient. Always good to have a spatula on hand to get your ingredients down in your bowl so you can get them all mixed in well. All right, now we're going to add in the vanilla, and we're going to mix that. All right, now let's add in the powdered sugar. And you're going to blend it until it's all mixed really well. You might need to turn your bowl to try to get it all in there. All right. Now, let's go ahead and put in the Cool Whip. Now you're going to need about 8 ounces of that. Obviously I have a bigger tub than that, but I've used some of it already. So I have about 8 ounces here. And you're just going to actually fold this into this. All right. And then you're going to give it a good stir. So it gets in with that peanut butter and the cream cheese and the vanilla. I don't know about y'all, but it's gonna be really good. I hope y'all like peanut butter. I think you'll really like this pie. All right, now we're gonna add in part of our Butterfingers into this. We're gonna reserve some to put on the top. Give this one more good stir. As you can see, this is a real easy dessert to get together. It's gonna be a real fluffy, light dessert. It's gonna be rich because you got all that chocolate and peanut butter and of course the candy bar. So, you know, it's gonna be rich, but it'll be good. All right, let's go ahead and mix in some of our candy. And we're just gonna fold that into this mixture. All right, get that blended in. Smells really good. All right, now once you get this all mixed in, you're going to be ready to put it in your pie crust. Now, if you don't really want a chocolate pie crust, you can use a graham cracker pie crust. I just opted for the chocolate one. Of course, I just needed it to be more rich than it already is. But anyway, you can opt for the graham cracker if you prefer that. All right, now let's go ahead and get it put into our pie shell. And you're just going to dollop it in. There's no real science to it, just put it in there. And we're going to mix it around. And you're going to have a delicious dessert to serve. If you have family or friends coming over for a meal, if you have an office get together that you need to take a dessert, I think everybody will enjoy this quite a lot. All right, let's get the rest of it in. All right. I'm not going to put the rest of that filling in. I think that looks good as it is. And let's go ahead and put the rest of our Butterfingers on top. And it's okay if they're in little chunky pieces, that's fine. You just really just kind of want it to garnish it. And then you want to refrigerate this for 4 hours, like I said earlier. So I hope that y'all will try this recipe. I hope that y'all will enjoy it. I'm certainly going to enjoy it later on. I hope that y'all will subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up for this video. I try to post every week, so y'all check everything out that I've got coming up. Y'all have a wonderful day, and thanks so much for watching.